Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka arp tadek unai weng. Kawai niki he jong ka sang partai Bharatiya Janata Party. Ka badairu ka General Secretary jong ka Mahila Morcha. Jong ka BJP ne ka sang jong kiken thai na Delhi. Ka Puja Kapil Mishra kala thalan ting ya ka sarkar Meghalaya. Ka balsansha da ka sang Congress hakaba kalkanno ba ka sarkar MUA2. Kala deko hakaba pentreka miki babon ki scheme jong ka sarkar preng. Hadin ka jingla yu kejat jong ka hakikat tu ka nigisnong hakani garilum khasi bajantia nadu ka khatkhandai tarik mentau nai weng. Haka jingi kendo bat kinong pathai kubor hennen kasngi ka Puja Kapil Mishra kala kantho jor ya ka sarkar Meghalaya khamtam haka bedai bat ka jing petreka mi ka scheme Ujala Yojana ka bedai ka scheme menyarap kerpang ikan thai na kilong yeng baduna ka yok ka kon da ka basam ki gas connection klem ka jing seo pisa nalor kani ka Puja Kapil Mishra kala kren ru halor ka jing yu ashuti jeng kilong kami ki badang khadang pon haka bedai ba ka jing ashuti yaki ne ka maternity leave bat kumjo halor ka scheme Jan Dhan Yojana kabadai ke scheme kabasya ikipat ba ban ambo pisah hak bank account jengki watang shitingkaru ne ka zero balance.
Basically Mudra Yojana is a very important scheme of Modi government. In this Yojana 50,000 to 10 lakhs rupees you can take from government behalf on bank government from bank without any security, without any interest. But I didn't think so कि किसी ने भी यहाँ इसका कोई benefit दिया है सर. Even I feel very bad to heard this. In Jan Dhan Yojana it's a zero balance account open to Modi ji all garib peoples. But here bank demand to please 500 rupees minimum should be in your account, 3,000 rupees should be in your account. All as rubbish going in Meghalaya. And सबका साथ सबका विकास is our Nara, Bhajpa. But here is no development.